Hey, so this is the second part of the nutrition and exercise video. We left off talking about water intake and why that's important. Now we're going to talk about vitamins and minerals. So here are the difference between the two. Vitamins serve as links and regulators in metabolic reactions and control tissue synthesis, while minerals provide structure in forming bones and teeth. Maintaining normal bodily functions and regulating metabolisms. So these shouldn't necessarily be taken if you're getting the recommended daily amount in your diet. It's not necessary, but if you are lacking certain vitamins and minerals, it is important to meet those needs so your body is healthy. Here's some examples of macro and micro minerals, their function in the body, and different food sources to find them in. I'll let y'all look at that for a second. But our main macro minerals are calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, chloride, and potassium, while the micro minerals are iron, iodine, selenium, copper, manganese, zinc, and chromium. So look those over, and like I said, there are some examples of food sources that they can be found in. Next, we're going to talk about sports supplements. These are not proven to be effective for everybody. They're also not regulated by FDA, which is an important thing. Why would you want to put something in your body if it's not regulated? But they are common things that many people in the athletic world use. If you're a collegiate athlete or professional athlete, some of these things are banned in higher quantities. So it's important to review those before taking them or using them. But you can read each and see what they do or what they supposedly do for some people, because some people see these results with taking the supplements, and other people have no results whatsoever. So they're like, oh, what's the point of taking these? But it's different for everybody, and as you can see, they have different functions for each. So here's the weight management summary. It's important to get the daily recommended amount of complex carbohydrates and grams of fiber, because that'll help stabilize insulin levels and help maintain good performance in body composition. So that can be found in fiber-rich foods such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. As I said, daily value is based off the 2,000 to 2,500 calorie meals, which are general recommendations for adults, men and women. But calories should be consumed based on weight and body composition goals and the training cycle. It's very individualized, and that should definitely be taken into account when trying to calculate the calories you should consume per day. So for athletes wanting to reduce body fat, it's important to eat more frequently throughout the day, like every 3 to 4 hours, focusing on the lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables, and then whole grains will improve the body composition. But yeah, instead of eating 3 meals a day that are bigger meals, it's better to eat those smaller meals throughout the day. So now we're going to go on to performance summary. Eating diets in high, I mentioned in the fats area that it's good and important to focus on healthy fats versus the bad fats. And the bad fats are the saturated and trans fats, because they promote inflammation, and that hinders recovery when working out. So these are normally found in higher fat dairy products, some meats, fried foods especially, and then processed foods and snacks. Next, the sodium water balance. This is why it's important to have sodium in the diet, and unless you have too much sodium, that can definitely lead to problems. But sodium promotes the better hydration before, during, and after training competition. So endurance athletes require more sodium than non-endurance athletes. But like I said, too much sodium can have negative impacts, which can lead to high blood pressure and other negative health problems. So eating protein during the day promotes recovery by replenishing stores that are lost during higher intensity or longer duration workouts. Oh, my bad, I misspelled that. But anyways, carbohydrates and proteins immediately after practice speeds up that recovery process. So that's lean meats, dairy products, and soy products. But the biggest takeaway from everything that has been said is moderation. Nutrition is not about completely removing items from your diet, but rather choosing healthier options on a regular basis with occasional treats. That's why diets typically don't work and they're not sustainable in your life. So you are trying to find like lifestyle changes that you can do on a regular basis while still enjoying what you're eating. So that's why I try to provide quite a bit of examples of different foods that get those 3 macromolecules because if you're meeting those needs, you're typically going to meet your vitamins, minerals, and other nutrition things that have been recommended. So I hope this was helpful. Here are my references. But yeah, hopefully that taught you a little more about how nutrition and exercise work together in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Thank you.